here is the market cap of Bitcoin. If we zoom that in, this is the market cap of Bitcoin. If we take the market cap of Bitcoin and divide it by the circulating supply of Bitcoin, this number, we are gonna get the price of Bitcoin, which is right now at $46,000. Okay, so that's the first calculation. So if you want to know why Bitcoin is at $46,000, just take the market cap and divide it by the circulating supply. Okay, same is true for any other crypto. Okay, so let's say you want to do the same with Ethereum. At the moment the price is at $3,164. okay, so you would want to go here and take the market cap and divide it by the circulating supply of Ethereum, and that's definitely going to give you an approximate value for this price. Okay, so now the second question. So what we're going to do is look at their market caps. Okay, to solve this question, we need to look at their market caps. Now, we need to understand very clearly here that the value of a crypto project is based on their market cap. Okay, the market cap of a crypto project tells us the value of the crypto. So if we look at Bitcoin, for instance, the market cap of Bitcoin here is close to $1 trillion. A few months ago, it was over $1 trillion. Okay, so and if you look at Ethereum here, is $372 billion. Okay, so if Ethereum got to this market cap, okay, let's say Ethereum got to this market cap, what would be the price of Ethereum? Okay, now you might be saying, why do I need to make this kind of projection? Because sometimes it helps us understand what we are expecting of a certain token. I've seen some people buy certain tokens and then they begin to make projections. They tell you, oh, this coin is going to hit $1 in the next 2 years, in the next 1 year, which is possible. But sometimes when we do this kind of comparison, it helps us understand by how many times we are basically projecting the market cap of that coin to grow. Okay, for example, to do this calculation, all we just need to do is to divide the market cap of Bitcoin by the market cap of Ethereum. Okay, so from this result, Ethereum needs to 2x for its current market cap to get as big as the market cap of Bitcoin. Okay, so all we need to do to know how much Ethereum would be worth if this happens would be to multiply this result by the current price of Ethereum. So this would be the price of Ethereum if Ethereum got as big as Bitcoin. Okay, so this is how you do this calculation. Okay, so you might want to do this with some other cryptos. For example, we have the Shiba Inu. You might say, if Shiba Inu got as big as the Dogecoin, what would be the price of Shiba Inu at that market cap? Okay, so the next question would be, if this really happens, that Ethereum got as big as Bitcoin at Bitcoin's current market cap, then how much of Ethereum do I need to become a millionaire in dollars? Okay, so that's a very simple question also. How much of Ethereum would I need to become a millionaire in dollars? Okay, so what we're going to do is to take our answer from the previous question and use it to divide $1 million. Okay, that's going to tell us how many Ethereum we need, how much of Ethereum we need to become a millionaire in dollars. Okay, so $1 million divided by, I'm gonna paste our last result. Okay, so pasting our last result, which was $7,358. Okay, so that's gonna give us about 135 ETH. So at Bitcoin's current market cap, if Ethereum were to get as big as Bitcoin, we would need about 135 Ethereum to become a millionaire in dollars. Okay, and you might be saying, how much are you gonna spend to do this? That's another calculation. How much are you gonna spend? Okay, so that's very simple. All you need to do is to do 135 Ethereum times the current price of Ethereum. And back on CoinMarketCap, the current price of Ethereum is 3,152.24. So let's say we multiply by just $3,000. Okay, so since the price is fluctuating, so we could say times $3,000. So you see, we would need to spend about $407,000, okay, to make that kind of money. Okay, so but I wouldn't recommend this. Okay, so but basically I'm trying to give you insight to what you need to do to be able to figure out these questions. Okay, because these are common questions that a lot of newbies have with regards to how much do I need to invest if Ethereum got as big as that, if Cardano got as big as this one, if Dogecoin got as big as Ethereum, what would happen, how much would I? So these are popular questions, and this is how you can actually do it to have approximate answers to what might really happen. Okay, so the last question would be, if you spent $1,000 on Ethereum and the price of Ethereum at the moment is $3,000, how much would you make if Ethereum hits $10,000? So that would be very simple. All you will need to do is to take your $1,000 investment and divide it by the current price of Ethereum. So $1,000, you can see that, divided by let's say $3,000. We know we have some we know it's $3,000 plus some digits, but just let's say this. So this would be what you have. So this answer, you're just going to multiply this by $10,000. So if the price hits $10,000, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if that happens, your initial $1,000 investment is going to become $3,000, as you can see right here on the screen. Okay, so this is exactly how you do these calculations. Okay, so this is it for today's video. This is BigZelBees, and is your guy Ken. If you've got questions, make sure you leave them in the comment section. If you have objections, make sure you leave them in the comment section. I'll react to every comment. Thank you, and is your guy Ken signing out.